Hey, option fans! Today we're diving into a groundbreaking tool that could be the missing piece in your option trading. Welcome to Options Pop, the tool that uncovers options with a remarkable upside potential, often between 50% and 300%. Options Pop pinpoints promising opportunities and alerts you to the specific option to buy. Option Pop strategy focuses on affordable options, often priced at 75 cents or less. Why? Because these options can jump by 50% or more, often in 10 days or less. Here's the unique edge with Options Pop. It uses technical analysis to evaluate the stock first. Since the stock's performance drives any option's potential, analyzing the stock first is essential. Many traders start with options alone, but this approach can fall short. Instead, Options Pop ensures that only high-potential stocks make it onto your radar. Here's how it works. Options. Boost might send out an alert on a stock like, say, TechCo, recommending a specific option at 50 cents. Let's take an example. Options. Pop spotted an opportunity with TechCo's stock, recommending a specific put option at 50 cents. When TechCo's stock price dipped, that option's value soared, climbing from 50 cents to $3 in just a few days. While gains like this don't happen every time, Options Pop is designed to maximize your chances with thoroughly researched picks. But remember, options trading carries risks, and no system is foolproof. Some trades might gain little or even lose value, but options. Pop aims for those standout trades that make a difference. Now, who is Options Pop right for? First, it's for those who understand and are comfortable with market risk. Secondly, it's ideal for people with a basic understanding of options who want expert help finding high-potential trades. And third, it's for those who understand that a well-informed strategy can lead to substantial gains. Whether you're looking to refine your trading approach or just want alerts for trades with big potential, Options Pop is here to help you navigate the fast-moving world of options trading. I have shared the official link in the description to order. Give it a try, and here's to achieving your option trading goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.